Hello folks, I hope you're having a great day. Well, I can say we've almost gone through every video, every sample when it comes to Sora. We talked about educational videos, promotional videos, longer videos. For example, here is for sports. This is for cream advertising. And let's go for another sample. Let's see another sample from about the fact that how we can use OpenAI Sora to present what we have and be able to sell our product much better. In this episode, we're going to use storyboard one more time. I'm going to write 2 prompts. I've already prepared them. Create a video that opens with a close-up of the, well, let me put it this way. At first, while writing it, we also want to fix it. We want to edit it. So you don't need to say, create a video. Don't do that, right? A video is better. So a close-up of the software's dashboard on a sleek, modern computer. So your camera should slowly zoom in on the task management. Background should be minimalistic. So you see, it's a bit long. So it's better not to go with the rest of it. If you remember, maximum 120 words will do. And in the second part, transition to a new scene showing the real-life collaboration feature, display the software in action with multiple users interacting simultaneously on the same project. The camera should smoothly pan across the screen, emphasizing how different users can update tasks. Well, this is not useful in my opinion. You see, I'm also talking about how to write prompts. I want you to pay attention to it because some redundancies must be removed. They're redundant, they must be removed. So we need to use a few words, at least 100, 122, as 120 will do. And the rest. It's not bad, is it? Expand caption is what it does, that we don't want. 2 variation, 5 seconds, HD and no presets is demanded. Let's get it done, shall we? Well, very well, this is the result. It's not bad, is it? It's not exactly what we wanted, but it's not bad. It's okay. The task management exists, and this video can be used in our PowerPoint slides where we have to present something at university, at school, or anywhere else. You can also loop it. Variation 1 is better. And in this way, if you're using it for the sake of social media, you're going to want to have this loop. Let's wait for it to create it. It's HD, it needs to be shorter. From both sides, let's make it shorter. Let's still make it shorter. All right, that's it. Let's see how it works with loop. Well, now it's looped, and it is absolutely amazing when you want to upload it in your presentation. It can just play on its own somewhere, and it will not tire your eyes. It is absolutely amazing. I hope you can use this AI in your projects and update every day, and have a very good day.